Okay, Hatteras Park. Beautiful morning. I got a late start. I was hoping to already be fishing by now. The wind shifted directions last night, so it's actually coming in from the north now. And so that's going to be a challenge. If it gets really windy today, I'm going to take off early. Did pretty good last night, right as the sun went down, for trout. Let's see if we can get a couple of those in the boat early, and then I want to head over and hit that grass and see if we can't get some reds in the grass. And beautiful day. Hope the wind doesn't pick up. If the wind stays like this all day, it'll be perfect. Alright, I'm going to start off with this little shrimp pattern. This is where we got a couple of them last night. Oh, beautiful, beautiful sunrise. And I was hoping to already have been out here and had a few in the boat by now. Got started really late. I was tired. And I slept good, so. And the wind is really picking up already. Alright, I'm going to try a couple right up here by this grass. See if we can get some reds or something coming out of this grass. Okay, well, I just got my first trout. I think the GoPro died before I got it in, but it was right up against this grass. And it's paddle deep right here. I'm gonna bet there's some reds and drum and a bunch of other stuff hanging out over here as well. Alright, I'm gonna see. And, oh, it's clear. Water is clear here. Got him. There we go. That's a baby red. Oh no, that's a trout. Oh, what is that? Ah, baby red. I was right the first time. Alright, first red of the trip. Just a baby. I was really hoping for something bigger than that. It's a good sign though. Let's see if we can find a bigger one. Going right down the middle. And then we'll move over. The water clear. Got it. There we go. That's a red. I think it's just a little guy, but big ones in there. Not the case. Open your mouth, dude. There we go. Yeah, nice little red. Baby red. Alright. Look at this. I was just messing around right here. And we got a red. Right up on the shore here. Little baby red. Yeah, I'm just getting the babies today. That was right here. Thank you. Now, alright, I forgot I had the camera running. I turned it off, but we just got another little baby red. It's right here. I saw him chasing shrimp. Thought he was in there. He's king for the day. you. Why not? Check out the size of this jellyfish. Holy moly. That thing is huge. Alright. I'm gonna call it a day. This wind is insane. This is the windiest it's ever been down here. This is probably the last time I will ever come here as well. I mean, I always catch a bunch of little ones. I've never caught anything big. It's generally never good. The water's kind of off color and muddy, and it's always windy like this. So, yeah, I probably will not come back to this spot. And I think we're gonna just head home early, and we're gonna watch some football tomorrow instead of going fishing. So, all right, till next time.